Oh, he's so scary. Oh. Hi, Jessie.
Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. I'm never gonna get this room clean with the two of you. No. There he goes. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, you leave that alone. No, that's for no.
I want to eat you. You know we're just playing.
Yeah. Are you happy? Did you get a bunch of new toys? Yeah? You did! So Puffy's happy because I filled the aviary up with toys, our toys, from ParrotPlayhouse.com. And they're designed for the little guys. Are they for the little birds? Yeah? Like your size and even smaller? And he is so happy. But they're super cute. It's just full of foraging activities inside. So much for them to do. Just rip, shred, all kinds of stuff. So, Puffy, you gonna play? You gonna go play? Go check them out. These are new to him. He's gonna go check them out. Go check them out. Yeah. What do you think? Not only do we have toys for parakeets, lovebirds, and cockatiels, we also have toys for medium-sized parrots and large parrots as well at ParrotPlayhouse.com. Make sure you do your research if you decide to adopt a parrot. Parrots live a very long time and they are a life commitment. I don't want to upload cute videos and you guys go out and buy a parrot because you thought my birds were cute. In fact, they bite, scream, and they make a mess. So make sure you do your research and make sure it's the right decision for everybody in your home, because when a parrot moves in, it literally turns the house upside down.